Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about strings in Python. So guys, now let's begin. If you want to write a string in Python, then you have to use single or double quotation mark. So for example, this hello is equal to this hello is equal to this hello. So this hello is equal to this hello. So these two hello are equal to each other. This you just double quotation mark and this you just single quotation mark. So now if you print this, then guys you can see this hello and hello, these are similar. And guys, now if you want to assign a string to a variable, then guys, first of all I have defined a variable, then a string. So guys, now guys, now if you look closer, then guys you can see this. So these are so guys, now if you see the result, then guys nothing will happen because here I have to print this. So now if you print A, then guys you will get this hello world. So guys, like this you can define a string to variable. If you want to use multi-line string, then you need to put 3 double quotation. So guys, first of all you have to put 3 double quotation. Now guys, now you can use multi-line string. Now guys, now if you print this, then guys you'll get A. So guys, now if you run this, then guys this is multi-line string in Python. So guys, now like this you can use multi-line string in Python. And guys, now let's talk about some method in some string methods. So guys, if you want to see the length of this string, then guys you can use len method. So for example, print len A. Now guys, if you run this, then guys you will get 90 because the length of this is 90. And guys, do you know now guys, do you know Python counts from 0? So if you count like this 1 2 3 4 5, then you are wrong. Python counts from 0 1 2 3 like this. And guys, now let's talk about how to capitalize its first letter. So guys, if you want to capitalize this first letter, then guys you can use the capitalize method. A dot capitalize. And guys, now if you print this, then guys here you will get this is multiple screens. So guys, here you can see this is capitalized. Like this you can capitalize a string. So guys, now that's it. So guys, in our next video we more going to talk about string method. So guys, in this video we only have talked about some string method, and in our next video we're going to talk about how to slice a string, how to capitalize this whole sentence, and more. So guys, now thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.